intensive advocacy, and I think the mayor, kasi by the way, nagsimula na yung meetings with the mayors. I don't think it's going to be an issue. Ang problema nga siguro natin, kung yung iba na gusto sumali na hindi kasama sa 300 or so initial towns. But then, clear naman yung prioritization ng NAPSI. At the end of the day, we are supporting the process on the ground. National government will carry some of the cost for this project. So the NGOs will be more than I think willing to be part of this. Kasi they'll benefit a lot. Budget support to their projects.
So yung in terms of participation ng mga civil society, hindi po ito bago sa mga local government?
That one is something that I think I wouldn't say hindi bago, but not to what extent will that participation be operationalized in a particular local government is something that we will have to work on. At the end of the day, you need to build the relationship, the trust with each other. You know? Of course, what I will assume na hindi yan nandun ka agad, kailangan i-develop. But then, I think the civil society is fully aware of that, so as the NGOs. And but then this process requires, for this process to work, they all know that they have to work together. Oh, I guess that's more than enough. I believe they'll exert all the effort to work together because then the communities will benefit.
Okay, thank you, sir.